Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I have my BoxyCharm Premium for the month of January. And let's jump into the box to see what we got this month. Packing. So the theme this month is so fresh and so clean. Y'all might remember that song. So fresh and so clean, clean. Okay. What do we have here? This is a liquid matte from Huda. Is the shade Alluring? Well, yes, the shade is Alluring. Kind of looks like an orange, maybe? Huda Beauty loves Allure. So this is from the maybe Allure Beauty Box. So this is our shade here. Let's, oh, she red. Definitely a red. I got on a gloss already. That's a little bit darker of a color, but that's the shade there. What does it say here? It's iconic, game-changing liquid matte lipstick in a comfortable, weightless formula that easily applies. It's supposed to be velvety and vibrant. It's supposed to keep your lips supple and maximum color payoff for 8 hours. Huda. This retails for $21. From LYS, we have the Glow Hydrate Serum. Think Bright Glow. It is a hydrating serum with vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. Retail value is $28. Instantly awaken dull, uneven skin. And it does have that kind of a pearl color there. It is cold here, so, but it wasn't sitting out long. And I did rub some of that in on my hand. So I'm excited to get this. We've gotten several items now from LYS, and I like this brand. The next item we have here is from Tint Skin. This is a gel mask. Do I have this already? I feel like I got this. I feel like I have this. So this is a Reveal Spa Water Gel Mask. $28 retail value. It says reveal beautiful, hydrated, and glowing skin with this refreshing and revitalizing spa water gel mask. It is fortified with hyaluronic acid, cucumber, and melon extract. I think I have this already. And I think they sent me an email that said something was in my box that I had already have. And they gave me some points or something. So it does have a safety seal on it, but I do think I already have this. I think I do. I'm not opposed to a mask. And then the retail value is $28. You know what I wish they would do is, if you already gave me this and you're giving it to me again and you want to make things right, you give me the $28 to get something else, not $6. But maybe they're saying that each item in here is about $6 because we pay like $30 for this box. So maybe that's what it is. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what your thoughts are. Okay, we have something in, I don't know, what is this? Uma? Is this Uma Beauty? Salute to the Sun Drama Bomb Extreme Volume Nourishing Mascara in Kim, which is probably black. This retails for $19.50. It is a gold and blue kind of packaging. And I'm not going to open that up because I got a lot of mascaras going already. It does say this bestseller is now dripping in gold. The unique hourglass shaped wand grabs and lifts each lash, delivering extreme volume, while the nourishing formula moisturizes and promotes lash growth. So that's great. Couple benefits: volume and lash growth serum. Okay, the next item we have here is some foundation in Espresso. This is from Hyde. It's a new brand to Boxy. Wonder how long they have been in business. Very simple, clean packaging. That's the back of it. The retail value on this is $30. Again, the shade is Espresso. This feels awful light, like there ain't nothing in there. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Okay. She may work out. Yeah, she may. What do you all think? A little light? About the same? I think she'll be good. Yeah, I think it'll work. Okay, so we are not doing too bad in here. We have a mask. We have some serum. We have a foundation, lipstick, mascara, and oh yes, a palette from Dominique Cosmetics. This is the Unconditional palette. It says that these are colors that you'll adore. It says, love the moments, you'll cherish the memories. She fancy, fancy. It's plastic. It does have a mirror, again with that same saying on there. It's got that frosted sticker on there. But these are the shades. Is that? Yeah, that's glitter. So those are the shades there. It's a pretty palette. Gonna have glitter everywhere. So yes, excited for that. Retail value on this is $28. Supposed to have 6 warm buttery shades ranging from a rosy hue to rich burgundy, with a mix of shimmers, mattes, and even a glitter finish. So we have our palette as a recap. We have our Huda lipstick, which is here. She's dried down. We have our hyaluronic acid here from LYS. Our foundation, which is here. Our mascara and our mask. Well, not a bad box this month. I think we got something for, you know, the entire face. We got some skincare, a lot of makeup. I'm not mad at it. Kind of an even box. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you thought of this box. And I will see you all on another video. Thanks for watching.